What is the value of the expression 21 divided by 7 over 4 multiplied by 12? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? This expression confuses a lot of people and make them choose the wrong option. Let's dive in and break it down step by step together. At the beginning of solving this question, many people go straight to the expression 7 over 4 multiplied by 12, which I've highlighted in yellow because they think multiplication has priority over division. And they say it's easy to simplify 12 with the 4 in the denominator and write this expression as 21 divided by 21, which finally gives them the answer 1. Then, without any hesitation, they immediately say that the correct answer to this question is option A. However, this answer is absolutely wrong. Alright, now let me explain step by step how we should solve this expression properly. To solve this question, we need to follow the PEMDAS rule exactly as I've shown on the screen. It means that we have to perform all the operations in order from top to bottom. Alright, as you can see on the screen, in this expression, we have one division sign followed by a multiplication sign. It's very important to note that multiplication and division are at the same level of precedence. In this case, the best thing to do is to start from the left side of the expression and move step by step toward the right. So, first we start with the expression 21 divided by 7 over 4. Okay, whenever we come across a division sign between two terms, the best thing to do is to apply the KCF rule. And this rule, K stands for keep the first number as it is. C stands for change the division sign to multiplication, and F stands for flip the second fraction. So, we remove the highlighted part and replace it with 21 multiplied by 4 over 7. Now, the number 21 cancels out with the 7 in the denominator, and this expression simplifies to 12 multiplied by 12, which finally gives us the answer 144. Therefore, option D is the correct answer to this question. Alright, now let's solve another tricky math question together. What is the value of the expression 18 minus 8 times 2 to the power of 3 plus 8 divided by 2? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? Let's take a closer look and solve it together. Many people when solving this question start with 18 minus 8 and write this expression as 10 multiplied by 2 cubed plus 8 divided by 2. Then, they move on to 2 to the power of 3, which I have highlighted in yellow, and replace this expression with 10 times 8 plus 8 divided by 2. And the next step, they usually go for the multiplication between 10 and 8, and replace this expression with 80 plus 8 divided by 2. Then, they add 80 and 8, and write this expression as 88 divided by 2, which finally gives them the answer 44. And without any hesitation, they quickly say that option C is the correct answer to this question. However, it's not the correct answer to this question. Alright, now let me show you how to solve this expression properly. To solve this question, we need to follow the PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS shows us the priority of the order of operations. Alright, first we'll start with 2 cubed, because in this expression, exponent has a higher priority than the other operations. So, instead of the original expression, we can write 18 minus 8 times 8 plus 8 divided by 2. And the next step, we need to go for multiplication and division, since they have a higher priority than addition and subtraction. However, it's very important to note that multiplication and division have the same level of priority. And all we need to do here is to move from left to right through the expression, performing the multiplication and division as we go. So, first we start with 8 times 8 and write this expression as 18 minus 64 plus 8 divided by 2. And the next step, we move on to the division between 8 and 2 and replace this expression with 18 minus 64 plus 4. Once again, we should remember that addition and subtraction also have the same level of priority. And the best thing to do here is to move from left to right through the expression and perform them in order. So, first we do the subtraction between 18 and 64, which simplifies this expression to negative 46 plus 4. And finally, the value of this expression is equal to negative 42.